Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to make a simple car game using a Raspberry Pi Pico board and the Micropython programming language. This Micropython code is designed to create a simple car game using a LCD and a Raspberry Pi Pico board. The game uses the I2C interface to communicate with the LCD and a GPIO pin to read input from a button. The car represented by a symbol that can toggle between two rows on the screen to avoid obstacles represented by symbol. The obstacles move from right to left on each row. The main game loop handles button presses to switch the car's row. Update the game state by moving obstacle checks for collisions and increases the game speed over time. If a collision occurs, a game over message is displayed along with the score. The game can be restarted by pressing the button again. The display is refreshed regularly to show the current state of the game. Now connect the Raspberry Pi Pico board to your laptop or PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open Thony IDE and save all three code files on the Raspberry Pi Pico board. You can download the code files from the link provided in the description. When you press the run button in Thony IDE, then the game will start on the 16:2 LCD. You can observe that when I press the push switch, then the car symbol changes lanes and our game works without any errors or problems.